Hello, everybody. I just got my new February YarnYAY box. So I'm going to unbox it for my Knit Witchery blog and embed it there for my YouTube channel. Let's see here. It has been very well sealed this time with some extra tape, probably because of all of the crazy weather we have been having in the United States here lately. So I'm going to turn my keyboard and let us see. Ooh. Oh, that tissue paper is so pretty this month. Ooh. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, and it's the cutest little basket this time. And the most stunning yarn. Okay, I've got to turn this around now so I can see it a little better. Okay. So, the booklet is on the bottom this time. It says February Shawl Collar Cowls, box number 46. And hand woven and one of a kind. This month we've got unique and beautiful baskets, perfectly sized to keep your notions nested. Oh my gosh, this one is just beautiful. Oh, beautiful on the bottom. Oh, okay. Big Blue Mama is a Canadian-based woman-owned company that employs over 350 women in Ghana. To learn more, go to Big Blue Mama. That's BIGBLUEMOMA.com. So the February selections, we have Gunnison by Taki Yarns, which is just beautiful.
Motion detected at the side door.
And it is color number 2001. My dye lot is 2016. Let me see here. It is a US size 8 needle or hook, an H or an 8, both 5 millimeter. I'm gonna guess this is, heavy worsted, maybe an Aran. But that's just a guess. Anyway, this month's yarn invokes the spirit of warmth and coziness when stitched up. The loft of the single-ply Italian wool mixed with a polyacrylic strand of color makes for unexpected pops of color. Taki Yarns was founded by Stacy Charles as part of the Webb's catalog of yarns. Learn more at yarn.com. So I always wondered why it was called Taki Stacy Charles. Now I know. Their website is takistacycharles.com. TAHKISTACYCHARLES.com. And the shawl patterns. Let me see. The shawl collar cowl patterns. Designs are by Vickie Howell and designer in residence Julia Maddell. So this month we're saying shawl y'all. So the knit version is designed by Vickie. And then the crochet cowl is designed by the spring summer designer in residence. And that is Julia Maddle. Both are topped with a large button. So let's see. And in here is a large button. It is from Makers Mercantile, makersmercantile.com, which is very cute. And that is actually the back of the button that I just showed you. This is the front of the button. Let me see if I can. There we go. That is just a beautiful button. Beautiful. So, put it back in my little baggie here. Put it back in a little basket. Let's see. So it's a found horn button from Makers Mercantile. And then Makers Mercantile is owned by button lover Karen Scassel. So learn more at makersmercantile.com. makersmercantile.com. And then there's a leather heart bookmark. So this is very cool. Because it has, again, let me see if I can get it so you can see it. It has the YarnYAY logo on it. And since it's so shiny, I'm having a very hard time getting it to show properly in this light. Try backing up a bit. Maybe there? Yeah, I think there's the best bet. So anyway, it's adorable. And this is the kind of bookmark that goes on the corner of your page like so. And then you can just take it off and then put it back on the corner of your page when you're done reading. Very cool, Vickie. Love this idea. And then, let's see. It has the instructions for both of the cowls in here. And that, my friends, is what is all included. Those were the rest of the pages that were in the booklet from the YarnYAY February box. Can't really see the button very well. Turn it that way. Oh, that's still the back of the button. Oh, wow. So, visit YarnYAY.com. That's YarnYAY.com for more information on how to subscribe. They have a whole wonderful shop full of things for sale as well. Not just their subscription boxes. So definitely worth checking out. And please enjoy. And I will get back to doing actual blogging, writing blogging, very soon with some reviews of some of my favorite project bags. But kind of got a little bit knocked to the side by one of my favorite project bag manufacturers. makers who decided to retire and close up shop for now with struggles during the pandemic, struggles getting supplies, etc. So that makes it very hard for me to review project bags, because her project bags were kind of the top of my list for great project bags. So I'll have to kind of revisit that post and rework it a bit before I can publish it. Okay, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.